The next Bitcoin move will surprise everyone, so don't waste time. As you see guys, that the daily candle here, it finished in that place here, and the Bitcoin give us here a candle as we've been talking about it a lot of times here in that channel. It give us here like a doji like that, a green candle here, and I want that the doji here or pin bar there, then a red candle next to it here, that indicating one thing, the market is going to fall down. Should we be worried? Me, I got another view, and that's what we are going to discuss in that video. So make sure to watch the video from the start till the end. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach 100 likes, and know you can do it, so please pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, tell us your thought about Bitcoin, what you're thinking. You done it? Thank you very much my friend. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord and VIP Telegram, where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. If you are interested, the link of our VIP Discord through Patreon of course is it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Also today we enter a short in the Bitcoin. It's hitting for us the first take profit. We move the stop loss to entry point. Now also we are risk free. Even you can benefit from those signals if you are interested of course. As I told you, the link is down. By the way, it's left only 4 places by $13. After that there is no more discount, so act quickly before it's too late. You done it? Welcome to the family. Well guys, as you see, the Bitcoin here in daily give us here, like how also we told you yesterday after that pin bar here, we told you the market is going to fall down, and that's what it's showing to us till now. Should we enter a short? For short it's need at least the break to happen here. We're going to show it to you in the 4 hours. Even here in the daily, the Bitcoin either is going to give you here a big head and shoulder like that, and it's going to break for you the neckline here down. That man is going to fall down more than that. But should we enter that short if it's breaking the neckline of that head and shoulder? No my friend, it's need the Bitcoin to break down here, that level here. I'll show you that one from that one and that one. I showed it to you before. It need at least the Bitcoin to fall down to break here for us to enter a short, because that level down here is very stronger. But me are thinking all that Bitcoin going to give us here a second leg of a price action, and after that we're going to see the market reverse and upward. Why? I'm going to tell you everything in that video. So the picture is very clear. Now it's going to see Bitcoin sentiment plus Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. So let's go in there to see it together. Here we are guys, that the Bitcoin sentiment, as you see it here, that the circle here, we came to the half of it and we draw in there a vertical line like that. We see here those ones with green here, those ones the bulls, and those ones with red, those ones the bears. Now we need to calculate in the percentage, because they look by the eye, they are closer to each other. If we came here to the bears, those ones bearish 16%, those ones very bearish 15%, 15 plus 16 is at 31%. If we came here to the bulls, those ones very bullish 17%, and those ones bullish 22%. 22 plus 17 is a 39. 39 compared to 31. They are close a little bit, but the bulls, they are winning here, as we said before, but they are not that much, because the bears, they still powerful, so they need those bears to lose hope, and we go back like how we used to be before. The bulls, it's need to pass 50% for us to know the market is going to go more higher. I think picture is very clear. Now let's go into see Bitcoin ETF to know what's going to happen. So let's go in there to see it together guys. Bitcoin ETF guys, as you see that yesterday here, all of them they buy. As you see, even our friend Grayscale hasn't sold. If BTC they bought 1.04k, ARK Investment they bought 202 Bitcoin, DITB they bought 659, Bitcoin they bought 50, Hodls they bought 86 Bitcoin, EasyBC they bought 28 Bitcoin. The total Bitcoin bought 2.06k Bitcoin guys. And may I show you all that? I told you, look at it here, look how many days they've been accumulating, 5 days. But today what's happened till now, because it's still coming more data. As you see see it here. Who sell the majority today? It's our friend Grayscale. They sold 515 Bitcoin. Who buy is ARK Investment. They bought only 39 Bitcoin. The hodlers, they bought 55 Bitcoin. And even that one here, BITB, they sold 108. The total Bitcoin being sold today only from those ETF is 527. So I think picture is very, very clear. Now let's going to see the coming news of today, guys. Coming news of today, guys, as you see it, is it here that the news we got today is it an early close in USA. The market is going to close at 1 o'clock. Then what we got ADP, non-farm employment change, initial jobless claim, SP global service, ISM non-manufacturing and ISM non-manufacturing price, crude oil inventory, and FOMC meeting minute going to come at 6 o'clock. As you see that the news we got today, but the market is going to close early hours at 1 o'clock GMT time, when the market is going to open only in the morning. When New York opened, there is no move, so we need to be careful about that one. It will not be no volatility, guys. That picture is very, very clear. Over here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day here. Look at it, what it's telling us. All US market, it closing green. Nasdaq closed green. SP 500 closed green. The Dow Jones closed green. So everything still looking normal. Down here is our friend, the VIX. Carnage and the Fair, it's still very, very, very low. 12.03. That's mean there is nothing to be worried about. Everything still looking normal. Oh, there is nothing to be worried about, guys. We need to wait. Fair, it's very, very low. So I think picture is very, very clear. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours. For pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. After yesterday, we used to be here. Market gave us their double pin bar. Now it fell down, it touched for us that 20 moving average. And down here, I told you we got here a huge volume at 61K. I'll tell you that in yesterday's video, I told you the market is going to fall down to that level here. Then after that, we're going to see if it's going to go back to touch that 50 moving average or no. Now, as we're still waiting, but till now, there is no price action here, no candle telling us the market is going to reverse. So we need to wait more to see what the market going to give us here. That's my view personally, guys, because if you see it, that 50 moving average, you treat it like a trend. It's getting broke here. Market fall down, tested it. Now it's need to go back to break it above for us to know the market is going to go till 66K. And also we talk about that one a lot here. I think picture is very, very clear. We don't need to wasting a lot of time here. Now let's go in to see the Ethereum is doing today in 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum doing exactly like how as we said. After the break here, we told you it's going to fall down to touch the trend line here. That's what it done. Now let's see if is it from here going to go above and to break for us that last high, which is here. That's the first scenario, guys, that for the long, because we got something here for the short. I show it to you, even that one in yesterday's video, but it's okay to repeat it for you. For the short, I told you it might the Ethereum to give you here like a flag like that, I show it to you, and like that. And if the Ethereum breaking down here in the lower of that flag, you can enter that short. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, it might the Ethereum to give you here a big head and shoulder like that, guys, and that's indicating one thing: market is going to reverse more upward if it's breaking here. Even that one you need to put it aside. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's see our indicator. We're saying here in the Ethereum, guys, our indicator, as you see it enter here to the place where is the bulls they're controlling. Now it go back here to that level here. At that place there is no trading. People there with me, they know that. Also, we don't trade there. And even today, the market is going to close at half of the day, so there is no trading. Even the indicator of us is telling us that, so there is no trading today. We need to wait in till after tomorrow, because tomorrow there is a holiday in USA, so we need to wait till the right time. If you want to be with us, to be a part of our family, I told you what to do to join our VIP Discord through Patreon. The link is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. That, of course, if you are interested. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin is doing today, guys, in 4 hours. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here in Bitcoin in the 4 hours, same thing like the Ethereum. You got here like a flag here like that. I showed it to you before. I told you like that. It might that one to happen, and the Bitcoin breaking the lower of that flag here, and that indicates into one thing that Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that. That the first scenario. Second scenario, it might the Bitcoin to give you here like a smaller head and shoulder like that, and that's going to indicate into one thing: the Bitcoin from here is going to go more higher. So now I give you for the long and for the short. For the long, you came here like that, and you waiting the break to happen here in that neckline of that head and shoulder. Then you can enter more long. For the short, I told you the lower of that flag here, so you can make it like that, like a symmetric triangle, and you wait it where it's going to be broken down here. Enter short. Above, you can enter a long. Another thing happen here in 4 hours, guys, is it that one here. After we break in here the 20 moving average and the 50 moving average, we go above, we touch here that white one here. Is it the 100 moving average, the simple one? When we touch it, we saw the dump here. Now said also we are down here, we touch the 50. Now it's need the Bitcoin to go above to break for us that 100 moving average, because the first touch don't count in it. We need to be focused on the second touch if the Bitcoin going to break it, or from there is going to fall down again. I think picture is very clear, guys, because look at it here, the 20 moving average, the first touch it bounced down. Now let's see what's going to happen here. So I think picture is very clear. Good news, till now the 20 moving average is crossing above the 50 moving average, and Sun is going to cross above the 100 moving average. Even that one you need to put it aside. Now let's go into see our indicator we're saying here in the Bitcoin in 4 hours. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, after it enter here to that place where is the bulls they're controlling, now it go back here to the middle where there is no one is controlling there, no bulls, no bears. All we need to wait till that indicator of us give us here a clear direction. It's need either to go above here to overbought area. That's the right time for us to take some of the profit. Second scenario, from here is going to fall down again till oversold area. So I think picture is very clear. Now let's go in to see Bitcoin what it's doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in yesterday video, even at the thumbnail of the video, is it that double top here, that one here, exactly, guys. It's getting broke. Us we enter early, people they are with me, we enter from here. First take profit of us. Even in yesterday video I show it to you, I told you is it here. As you see it touch it here, but there is no power to break it. Touch the first, second. Now there is no power to break it. Should we enter along now? If the Bitcoin came back above and breaking here, that level here, because as you see it even here, we got a double bottom, guys, or W. If it's getting broke, we can enter along that the first scenario. Second scenario, we got something here. Let me show it to you. If you came here and you do like that, and you came here to the top of that one and you do like that, you got here another flag, guys, as you see it. If the Bitcoin came and breaking the top of it here, you can enter more long. How we started that flag from the top of that tail of that one and that one. So we got here a very clear flag here in 30 minutes. So you base your trade in anything you want. For the short at this time is late, my friend. You need to remember that at this time is very late to enter short. And me, I'm looking at that double bottom here. If it's getting broke here, we will enter along. Now let's see our indicator we're saying here in the Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, we got a divergence here, as you see it here. See that one here, where is it? And you see that one down here, where is it? And here in the chart, look at it. So you got here a very clear divergence. That's why me I told you, as we wait in here the break of that one here. If it's getting broke, of course, we're going to enter more long. And even that one here is down here at the oversold area level. Also, we are in a very stronger level. I just been showing you 12 hours in daily in 4 hours. All we enter along. If it's getting broke here, that double bottom here, neckline of it, we're going to enter along, guys. If you want exactly when also we enter, where we put in stop loss, where we put in take profit, I told you what to do to join our VIP Discord. Of course, if you are interested, the link is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. And I told you it's left only 4 places by $13 US, $10 US. There is no more discount. I'm so sorry if you miss it. So I think picture is very clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.